This video is about best match paint for a 1955 7.5 horsepower Evinrude. First color is made by Duplicolor Perfect Match. It's a light blue metallic. It can be found at AutoZone for $12 a can. Second color is a gloss white made by Rust-Oleum, and it can be found at Home Depot for a whopping $4.27 a can. Hope you enjoyed the video. Here at T. Mike's Vintage Outboards, we're doing it one motor at a time. Please click on subscribe. I guarantee to provide weekly videos. Thank you very much. Au revoir, mes amis, and laissez les bon temps rouler. Aïe!